Hey guys, so today I am going to do a tutorial on how to make a video in Photoshop. I recently discovered that Etsy has a new feature that you can add a small little clip video for your items that you sell on Etsy. I sell digital backdrops on Etsy, and I was wondering how I could do that, with being digital backdrops and not a physical item, because a lot of them are physical items that it tends to show as far as the sample video. But you can also do this really cool video technique for digital backdrops, and I am going to show you that today. Here is a video I made for one of my digital backdrops. And it's a real simple, easy to do video. It's just kind of a 4 to 5 part. Put it all together and then you render your video at the end. Alright, let's get started. So I've already opened up my digital backdrop that I'm going to work with. What you'll first need to do is unlock it and make it its own layer. Then I always go up to my rectangle marquee tool, and then I'll select different parts of the digital backdrop and make layers for that. So I'm going to select this, and I'll right click and go down to layer via copy, and then I'll click back onto my original bottom layer, and just like I said, select different sections to show the different areas and textures of your digital backdrop. Now once you've done that, you're going to go up to your move tool, select it, and then I pull all of my images and make them the same size as the original bottom layer. Like I said, this doesn't have to be super perfect or anything. It's just a little bit of an advertisement to show your digital backdrops a little bit more, and you can zoom in and show them every little angle of them too. After you've got all of your layers, I usually do about 4 layers, sometimes 3. It just depends on the digital backdrop, but I'm going to do 4 on this one for the tutorial. Once you have all of your layers to the same size as the bottom layer, you're going to go up to Window, go down to Timeline. You're going to create a video timeline. For each layer, I always make mine down to 2 seconds because the video on Etsy only allows you 5 to 15 seconds. So you can make them 2 or 3 seconds. It just really depends on what your preference is. Once I've made them all my 2 seconds, I drag them down to the very bottom layer. Now what I'm going to do is add an additional little font advertisement that I like to put on each one of mine. It just kind of lets clients know that I have other YouTube videos and helpful tips on my links below on my page. So I'm going to take my font layer and I'm going to move it above the group because I want it to be over every single layer, and I need to drag it all the way down. I'm going to make it at the very end, and then I have to expand this down here to make it all the way to the beginning of the movie. Now I'll just move it around wherever I want to put it at. Click OK. Now each layer, I am going to click on this little play button right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change how it's featured on the video. You can change the different motions on it by, you can go to pan and zoom, rotate or rotate and zoom. I don't usually get too fancy with it. I might do a different variety of each one every once in a while. But for this one, I'm just going to do the pan and zoom and have it on zoom in. And I'm going to do that with every single one of them. Okay, so my video is actually already complete down here with constructing it. So now all you have to do is render your video, and you're going to do that by going up to File, down to Export, then you'll go down to Render Video. These are my settings I always use here for any YouTube videos, or like I said, this Etsy video has to be a smaller file, that way they could download it into the little thumbnails. And then after you make your title name for it, you'll just click render and let the magic happen. Once it's all completely rendered and everything, you'll just go onto your Etsy page, go into your shop, go down to edit on your shop, and then there should be a link there to where you can just link up the video. You'll just download the video and push save, and then check it out. Alright guys, I hope this helped out answer any questions that you might have with how to do a video for digital backdrops or something that's still life, and if you know how to use Photoshop as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know what's going on. I'd love to see you guys, what kind of videos you've made. Also, I'd love to see your Etsy page as well. Until next time, bye.